The pocket size and action camera world has been moving fast lately. The DJI Osmo Action 6 came out in late 2025. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 was released April of 2026. Insta360 Luna launched June of 2026. GoPro just came out with a Mission series, also launched May 2026. I mean, everywhere you look, there's another camera launch, another review, another creator telling you that this is the one you need to buy, and I'll be honest with you, it's easy to get caught up in all of this. Every new release promises better video, better low light performance, better stabilization, better this, better that, and somehow it just makes your current camera feel outdated overnight. But instead of chasing the latest bells and whistles, spending more money every year, why not just find a camera that delivers the best value? So while everyone else is busy talking about the latest cameras, I went back to one that launched in 2023. That is, in my opinion, still can perform just as well, if not better, compared to these new cameras. And that camera is the DJI Osmo Action 4. And today we're gonna unbox this thing and find out if a camera that's a few years old is still one of the smartest buys you can make. I'll also take it out for a little vlog test and see how it performs in the real world. But before I start, I'd appreciate it if you like this video. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet for more videos like these. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so it looks like we got the accessories right here, and we got the camera itself right here. We got some stickers, DJI stickers, and other instructions here, just a little bit of paperwork, and I don't know what's in here. Oh, that's it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start off with accessories first. And I'm excited because this camera apparently shoots 4K 120, and it's supposed to have an amazing stabilization. So that's something I'm looking forward to. There's more paperwork here, I guess instructions, and then we have the case right here. I'm gonna just do this first, see what it looks like. There's other accessories inside the bag as well. And this one looks like it's the battery. So we got the battery here. We also have a clip right here. And we also have, it looks like a charging cable and the screw for the case here. Looks amazing. Apparently the Osmo Action 6 is a bit bigger than this one. I kind of like the size of this one for sure. I mean, as an action camera, why would I want something bigger than this? I mean, this is a good size. I don't know how much bigger the Osmo Action 6 is, but yeah, I've seen comparison videos on YouTube, obviously, and yeah, it's just much bigger. I guess this is where the battery goes. Perfect. And I think the memory card goes here, I believe. Yeah, the memory card, or no, this is where the Type-C goes, charging cable. Where does the memory card go? It's gotta be this one then. Oh no, the memory card is actually inside here where the battery slot is as well. It's on the same side. And I believe this one is for the tripod. So I actually bought a tripod specifically for this. I got it off Amazon. It's really cheap. By the way, all of the accessories and equipment that I'm unboxing in this video, I'm gonna link it down below if you want to check it out. So I got this, and I got a few spare batteries because obviously one is not going to be enough. I think I got like a 3 battery pack or 2 battery pack. I'm not sure. We'll find out in a sec, but I'll open it. But before I open the other ones, I just wanted to check this out first. This is the tripod, and it is Neosu is the name of this tripod. But it's a tripod, and it's a mini tripod, but it also extends. But anyways, that's what it looks like. And it's supposed to clip onto the bottom of the, yeah, it's magnetic. That's cool. There you go. And to release it, there's a latch at the bottom here. Basically just released. Let's turn on the DJI here. Now, even though this shoots 4K 120 for photo, it's all right. It's not the best, but apparently it's only, I believe, 10 to 12 megapixels. But I mean, I barely take photos when I'm using these anyway, so that doesn't matter. But yeah, it's good enough for thumbnails, you know? We're gonna take this off. There's a sticker here as well. We can just undo that. And then it just loosens the case, I guess, and you just slide her in. And it's a snug fit. That looks great. And I'm sure this one, there you go. That is the DJI Action 4 camera. I think there's only one thing left to do, and that is to actually take this bad boy out. I'm gonna do some real world tests. I'm gonna vlog. I'm actually gonna be hiking, so I'm gonna take this on my little hike and let's see how it works. Okay, this is what I'm climbing up right now. It's very, very steep, as you can see. I'm gonna see how good the stabilization works on this Osmo Action 4. How does that look? I think it looks fairly decent. I'm not gonna run, obviously. Probably just gonna run later when we get to the top, but yeah, stabilization looks good. I'm also going up and down, obviously very wobbly and very rocky, steep incline here as I hike up this mountain. But I think it looks decent, right? Now I'm gonna test out the slow motion on the DJI Osmo Action 4. I'm gonna get Jasmina to run towards, not over the cliff obviously, but just before the cliff. And then we'll see, I'll set on 4K 120. Let's see how smooth the slow motion is on this thing. But I mean, before we do that, look at this view. The other thing I wanted to try, and because we're already here, we got a beautiful mountain backdrop behind us. I want to see how good the photos are on this thing. And it's, I mean, I don't expect the greatest thing. It's going to be maybe 10 to 12 megapixels, I believe, on this camera. So I don't expect much, but you know what? Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo of this. The other thing I wanted to say is that I can hook this up with a DJI Mini. I'm not connected to it right now, but I've been so impressed with the audio from the camera alone. So I feel the need that, I don't feel that I need to install this or I need to connect this, which is so much nicer. But I do have that luxury, and once you connect it, you can just turn it back on, it just automatically connects. But I feel that this audio right now is sufficient enough for me. I don't know, what do you think? This has the DJI rock solid stabilization, so even if you're running, biking, or just filming handheld, the footage stays smooth without needing a gimbal. And the image quality is still really impressive. 4K video, great dynamic range, and that signature DJI color science that just looks clean straight out of the camera. I mostly shoot in D-Log, so I'll be using that 4K 120, and that's kind of the point with this camera. Simple, reliable, and ready to go without overthinking it. And that's the unboxing and my first impressions of the DJI Osmo Action 4. So in my opinion, this camera still produces amazing results. It may lack the latest bells and whistles, but honestly, it still works. That's it for today, and hope this video helps you make smarter decisions on your next camera purchase. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.